and side hustles to make extra money in 2025. You don't need to wait for a raise, a promotion, or a miracle to start making more money. In fact, if you're relying on one income stream in 2025, you're putting your financial future on thin ice. The truth is, the economy has changed, and so have the rules for getting ahead. With inflation climbing, job security shrinking, and the cost of everything from rent to groceries skyrocketing, one paycheck just doesn't cut it anymore. But here's the good news. There are more ways than ever to earn extra cash on your terms. Whether you're trying to pay off debt, save for something big, or just breathe a little easier each month, side hustles can be your financial game changer. And you don't need to be a genius, have thousands to invest, or work 80 hours a week to do it. So let's dive into 10 side hustles that can actually make you extra money in 2025, real strategies for real people who are ready to take control of their income. 1. Freelancing your skills. And you don't need to be a pro. Think you need to be a top-tier designer or developer to freelance. Think again. If you can write, edit, manage social media, build websites, do basic design, or even just type quickly, there's a market for you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are packed with opportunities, but here's the trick. Start with what you already know. Don't try to learn a brand new skill from scratch. Use what you've got. Maybe you're great at organizing, offer virtual assistant services, good with words, try copywriting. Even data entry gigs pay decently. The key is positioning, solve a problem, keep your offer simple, and build up reviews fast. You don't need a full-time business, just a few clients to start seeing extra income roll in. 2. Print-on-demand, passive income with creative flair. You don't need to be an artist to sell t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. With print-on-demand platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble, you can create designs or use royalty-free art and sell without keeping inventory. When someone orders, the platform handles everything: printing, shipping, and customer service. You get a cut of the profit. This is perfect for creatives, but also for people who love trends, memes, or niche humor. Find a niche: dog lovers, teachers, gamers, you name it, and make clever, catchy designs they'll want to wear or gift. It might take a few tries to get traction, but once you land a hit, that design can earn money in your sleep. 3. Selling digital products. Ebooks, planners, checklists, templates, resumes. If it can be downloaded, it can be sold. And in 2025, more people than ever are turning to digital products to learn, grow, and organize their lives. You can create something once and sell it an unlimited number of times with zero shipping cost. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip make this easy to set up. You don't have to be an expert, you just need to solve a specific problem. For example, create a budget planner for students, a meal plan for busy parents, or social media templates for small businesses. Make it valuable, market it with simple content on TikTok or Pinterest, and you've got a side hustle that grows while you sleep. 4. Reselling, flipping items for profit. This isn't just for garage sale hunters anymore. Reselling has become a serious side hustle with serious returns. You can flip clothing, electronics, furniture, books, sneakers, even vintage toys. Start with things you already have lying around. Then hit up thrift stores, clearance rags, or Facebook Marketplace. 5. Online tutoring and teaching. If you're good at explaining things, math, writing, science, or even playing the guitar, people will pay to learn from you. With platforms like Wyzant, Preply, and Outschool, you can teach online from anywhere. You don't need a teaching degree, just knowledge and the ability to communicate. Bonus: parents are willing to pay top dollar for tutors to help their kids catch up post-pandemic, and if you're bilingual, language tutoring is exploding. You can also record your lessons and turn them into passive income products on Skillshare or Udemy. It's education, income, and impact rolled into one. 6. Affiliate marketing, even with a small audience. You don't need to be an influencer with 1 million followers to make money with affiliate marketing. You just need to recommend products you actually use and believe in. Whether it's your favorite budget planner, a coffee maker, or a software tool, chances are it has an affiliate program. Amazon Associates is the easiest to start with, but niche platforms like ShareASale, Rakuten, and Impact let you go deeper. 7. Renting out what you already own. You don't have to own a second property to make rental income. Think smaller. In 2025, people are renting everything: cameras, bikes, tools, even driveway space. Got a spare room? List it on Airbnb. Not using your car much? Rent it on Turo. Have camera gear or a drone? People will pay to borrow it. Even storage space in your garage or shed can earn you extra cash through platforms like Neighbor. This is the kind of side hustle that doesn't require more time, just smarter use of what you already have. 8. Social media management for local businesses. Most small businesses don't have time to manage their Instagram or TikTok accounts, but they know they need to. That's where you come in. If you know how to make reels, write captions, or even just post consistently, you can charge $300, $1,000 month per client. Start with local businesses, gyms, cafes, boutiques, and offer a simple package: a few posts per week, some story graphics, and engagement. 9. Remote customer service or chat support. Companies in 2025 are outsourcing everything, and customer service is one of the biggest opportunities. Many businesses hire part-time remote workers to handle support tickets, live chats, and even phone support. It's flexible, doesn't require much experience, and pays well for the time you put in. 10. Content creation and monetizing your voice. TikTok, YouTube, podcasting, blogging, content creation isn't just for entertainers anymore. It's a real business model. But here's the truth: you don't need to go viral to make money. You just need to show up consistently, provide value, and build a niche audience. Pick a topic you care about: money, fitness, parenting, gaming, skincare, you name it. Then create helpful content, answer questions, and share your journey. Side hustles aren't just about making extra cash, they're about taking back your time, your freedom, and your future. In a world where job security is shaky and inflation keeps rising, creating multiple income streams isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. But here's the thing: you don't need to do all 10. You just need to start with one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your goals. Don't overthink it. Don't wait until everything's perfect. Start messy, start small. Just start. This is your year to stop saying "I'm broke" and start saying "I'm building." Because with the right side hustle, you can change your bank account, your confidence, and your entire future. If this video gave you real, actionable ideas, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical ways to grow your income.